Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AI tools with Roblox, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in AI tools with Roblox, start by familiarizing yourself with Roblox's platform. Create an account on Roblox if you haven't already. Once logged in, explore the various game development tools available. Identify AI tools that can enhance your game development experience. Research the specific AI tools suitable for Roblox, such as AI-driven scripting assistance. Visit the official Roblox Developer Hub for resources and tutorials on AI integration. Evaluate the pricing and licensing options for the AI tools you're considering. Join Roblox developer communities online to gain insights and recommendations from fellow developers. Start small by selecting one AI tool to experiment with in your project. Follow the installation instructions provided by the AI tool's documentation. Integrate the AI tool into your Roblox game project, ensuring compatibility and smooth functionality. Test the AI features within your game to see how they enhance gameplay and user experience. Gather feedback from playtesters to understand the impact of the AI tools. Monitor updates and new releases of the AI tools to keep your project relevant. Document your experiences and results to refine your investment strategy. Consider scaling your investment by incorporating more advanced AI tools as you grow. Stay informed about trends in AI technology and Roblox development to maximize your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.